सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Please repeat 26 verse. शोभावामर्तस्य यदन्तकैतत् सर्वेन्द्रियाणां जरयन्ति तेजः अपि सर्वं जीवितम् अल्पमेव तवैव वाहास्तव नृत्यगीते न वित्तेन तर्पणीयो मनुष्यः लप्स्यामहे वित्तमद्राक्ष्मचेत्त्वा जीविष्यामो यावदिशिष्यसि त्वम् वरस्तु मे वरणीयः स एव अजीर्यताम् अमृतानामुपेत्य अजीर्यताममृतानामुपेत्य जीर्यन्मर्त्यः क्वधस्थप्रजानन् अभिध्यायन् वर्णरतिप्रमोदान् अभिध्यायन् वर्णरतिप्रमोदान् अतिदीर्घे जीविते कूरमेत अगेन अजीर्यताम् अमृतानामुपेत्य जीर्यन्मर्त्यः क्वधस्थप्रजानन् अभिध्यायन् वर्णरतिप्रमोदान् अतिदीर्घे जीविते कोरमेत कोरमेत. We were seeing the qualification of a Vedantic student, and these qualifications are technically called sadhan chatushtay. You should know some technical word also. It is technically called sadhan chatushtay. Fourfold qualification in Sanskrit it is. In English it is called fourfold qualification, and it is called sadhan chatushtay. So while describing these mantras, I'll also tell what is in other text also. And what are those sadhan chatushtay? One is called vivek. Don't say vivek. So it is called vivek. Vivek means discrimination. Second is called vairagya, dispassion. Third is called shatka sampatti. You can call in English as sixfold discipline. And last is called mumukshutva. So, desire for liberation. So you should know the English word also and the corresponding Sanskrit word also. And in your room, try to pronounce the Sanskrit word. How do you learn a language? By reading, by talking, and by thinking in that language also. At least try to tell yourself your name in Sanskrit. My name is different in Sanskrit. No, not different. But how you will say, my name is Suresh. How will you say this? So you have to say, Aham Sureshah Asmi. Like that. So later on, not today, don't hurry. So, Vivek, second is Vairagya, third is sixfold discipline, and fourth is desire for. So 4D. To remember discrimination, dispassion, discipline, and desire. 4Ds you keep in mind. What is the meaning of discrimination? Discrimination is that what is finite will not give solution forever. Anything which is finite, how can it give me permanent solution? The world, the people, the circumstances, all are for a very short time. How can I get everlasting solution from that? Which was mentioned by which word? By Nachikheta? Shobhava. Tomorrow it is absent. In absentia, it is absent tomorrow. So when it is itself is absent, how can it give me the solution which will be ever present? And this is with reference to everything in this world. It is with respect to family, with regards to money, with regard to your health, with regard to heaven also. Because heaven also is finite. With regard to popularity also, with regard to your body also, with regard to your qualifications also, because your qualification also is finite only. Worldly qualification, I mean. With regard to everything, when I want a permanent solution for something, seeker is a seeker because he doesn't want temporary solution. He wants permanently something to give me peace forever. I don't want a symptomatic treatment. What is that which will give me solution forever? That is called the seeker's mind is different. He doesn't want the small things. As I told you, yesterday when Nachikheta was being tempted, he said, how long? He said, 5,000 years you will be getting this heavenly things. Then after that you will stand here again. You'll be back to not square one, square zero. So this will be where you will be. So what is the purpose of all this? You can play with some lollipop and come back. Why not can I use the same time in going for something real rather than playing with the toys? Why can't I use the same time in something deeper? So this is called discrimination. You lose the trust in finite. You lose the faith in something flimsy. You live with it. You live with it because you cannot run away. You live with it, but don't seek solution in it. The Ashraya Buddhi has gone. Sense of dependency has gone. That is called, first D called discrimination. Second D is called dispassion. What is dispassion? Dispassion is that attachment is a source of my sorrow. Attachment will not give me joy. My attachment is a source of my sorrow. Where I am seeing joy, it is not their joy. Remember I said this passion is seeing the ultimate cause and ultimate effect. One day I said this point. Rather than seeing one thing, I see the ultimate effect of the body. That is called dispassion. So you have no sense of joy in anything. You are not running after anything. This is dispassion. When all these money, chariot, kingship, women, everybody was offered to Nachiketa, he had dispassion. Dispassion is born from discrimination. Discrimination is an intellectual thing. So discrimination in practice is dispassion. Discrimination is in your intellect. So when it comes in your body, mind, then it is called dispassion. It was discrimination, but now it has come as a dispassion. I don't want it. I'm not longing after it. Not because I can't get it. Not because I cannot get it. Somebody said, I don't take bribe. Why? Nobody gives me. It's not like that. I'm not getting married. Why? Nobody is marrying me. It's not like that. It's not like that nobody is marrying me, therefore I'm not going to marry. It's not like that. No, people are there who want to marry me. Achha? Haan. Or good people are there too. But I have no sense of joy. Then that is dispassion. Compulsion is not dispassion. Only I eat very simple food somewhere. Why? Because I don't have the money to get better food. This is not dispassion. Tomorrow if he gets it, he will switch it over. Tomorrow if he gets it, he will switch it. He will not be a simple eater then. He is acting to be simple actually. By nature he is not simple. He is acting to be simple. Some people are like that. They don't have lot of riches. They don't have lot of good things around. So they are very middle class status or lower middle class status. They try to glorify by the word. I'm a very simple person. I'm very simple. I don't want anything. You don't have it. Say like that. Don't want anything. Don't try to put a silver covering over it. When you have it, then you will be tested whether really you are influenced by it or not influenced by that. You have it, but still like Yudhishthirji was there. He had all the luxuries. You read Bhagavatam, he had all the luxuries of the kingdom. Hundreds of people were there, beautiful food was there, wonderful army was there. But in Bhagavad it is written, as the hungry person doesn't want any other thing other than the food, similarly his mind was not wanting other than Lord Krishna. I like that line a lot. As a hungry person, he is only looking after. He will not be attracted to praise. He will not be attracted to good clothes. He will be only wanting how I can get little food. Similarly, when Yudhishthira was doing everything in the kingdom, but his mind was just waiting to see or talk about the Lord. So that is a dispassion. So please don't glorify unnecessary dispassion. Poverty has nothing to do with the spiritual life, for your information. And don't think somebody doesn't have many things, so he is spiritual. Nothing to do with the spirituality. And please don't condemn richness also. This is a bad habit of the seekers sometimes. They condemn the richness, they condemn rich person. I have seen some rich people very, very spiritual. Gautam Buddha was king only. So this should not be taken as a rule. It is not a rule. Sometimes we try to shun somebody. You can't save anything. So this was dispassion. First was discrimination. What is the Sanskrit word? Vivek. It is passion. Vairagya, not Vairagya. Here they don't pronounce I. Say Vairagya, not Vairagya. Here they say Kailash. It's not Kailash, it is Kailash. And third is Shat Sampatti, Shatka Sampatti. Shatka. So it is called sixfold discipline. क्या है भाई? Shamaha. Please write it so that you don't forget. Shama means quietness of mind. Shama, not Shama. It is not Shama, it is Sha. Sha, Sha, Sa. You saw that? You saw that? Sha, Sha, Sa. So this is, where is she gone today? She is not come. Shama. Shamaha, quietness of mind. Second is Damaha, quietness of sense organ. Sense organ. Third is Uparati, quietness of actions. Quietness of actions. Fourth is Titiksha, quietness of pains, bodily pains, endurance. 4 हो गया. Fifth is Shraddha, quietness of Abhiman. Quietness of Abhiman. And last is Samadhan, quietness of fickleness of mind. Fickle. Fickleness. Where has she gone? We don't know. Where is God? So, that is called fickleness of mind. I'm trying to define in very simple terms, you don't forget. So, Shamaha, Damaha, Uparati, Shraddha, Titiksa, फिर से start करो. Shamaha, Damaha, Uparati, Titiksha, Shraddha, Samadhan. I have already defined what are these things. This is called D, 3D, third D. Disciplines are there. Oh, so many qualifications. I think I have none of them. So, third D हो गया. Last is desire for liberation. Mumukshatva. Now you can see. Mumukshat means that I don't want to take another body. I don't want to be reborn again. No, I want to be reborn. You know, we are very short-sighted. We have myopia. We don't see more. 2-3 year goal, 5-year goal. Seeker has a goal after death. What will happen? Death, you will be reborn. You will go to another mother's womb. Acha? Yes, again you will be coming out after cesarean or natural delivery, whatever is there. One boy was there in America. He said, somebody asked him, are you naturally born from America? He said, no, I'm cesarean. So you again want to be born. Again you get out of the womb. Again 4-5 years of nursing from the mother. Batao. Again go to school. Double R बोलते हैं. Double R. Double R, no? Double R then R. Double R, then R, then grade 1. Na? Grade 1 of prep. Grade 1. By the year 5-year-old you are. 5 years, 6 years. Then grade 2. And this way keep on upgrading. And this way you keep on growing. So much study, so much bag. In between, every child, cries so many times a day, I can't tell you. I unnecessarily they cry. And some are by nature only crying. Cranky. That habit goes up to when they are grown up also. But some children keep, so why are so sad 10 times a day? Sometimes they put their hand in the hot water when this very small. Mother is after them. They put the hand in the hot water. Sometimes they get electric shocks. Sometimes something big falls on them. You must have seen that. ऐसा ही होता है. Then they go in the school. Too much of competition, too much of studies in the schools. Every teacher is coming in the class. So much homework in the ashram. Only home is there. But their homework is there. Then you grow up, then there is a tension of 10th class, then metric class, too much of studies, college, school. Then you see for right you will get university or not. By the time you are 15, 16, 17, then you may, if grade is little less, you won't get a university. Then you have to satisfy with some sub-subject where grade is less. Then reservation is so much, you are in a minority. All the grades, my grade was hardly 85%. But 85% I didn't get any proper facility, discipline. Then what you got? Architecture? No, that also didn't got. I am doing builder's course now. Diploma in building. House or mine? Arey yaar, what is mine? House. Okay. Then after that you go for job. Huh? Why? Because desire is too much. I want to have a good life, wife, husband. Who will marry unless I am working? Who will give his son, daughter to me? Now I'm working now. I'm going to colleges every morning, evening, lagi. 5 years, 6 years, then this assignment, that assignment. You don't want to do, but you are doing it. What will happen? What people will say? What father will say? Whom to answer what? Keep on dragging. Somehow you pass out by the time you are 25, 22, 23. Then job is a big problem. Everywhere job is very less now. Then you go out, apply, but no reply. Then you just slog a lot to get little 10,000 rand also job is not easy nowadays. Am I right? No? To get engineering, I'm talking out. Engineering, or you are a university teacher also. Have you starting talking of 15,000, that also is not easy now. Everything is full. Then you go here, then this interview, that interview, where you go, there you go. He is humiliating me. Then you get a job, supposing so much of work in the job. In between, there is an ulcer also has come up in the stomach. Then I'm going for operation also. Earlier, only physics sir, mathematics sir was there. Then now ulcer is there. Then one day I was walking, I fell down. Because it is my habit to see up. I heard look up, so I start looking up. Staircase was there. I stumbled down, so whole thing broke. Then I had to this nose bone cracked. Earlier only mine was cracked. Now bone also got cracked. Now this is how go ahead. Okay, then I get to marry. My dreams are there. My dreams, rarely, very few marriages work properly. Very few marriages are happy marriages. So much tension is there. Earlier I was not able to control my mind. Now one more mind to control and to satisfy. Earlier I was controlling mine. I couldn't handle my mind. Now two minds to handle. That person's different mood is there. Up and down going on. Sometimes very happy, sometimes very sad, sometimes crying to crying. This is the mood. Now handle that. Now you have to earn for. Earlier you were yearning for her. Now you are earning for her. So then children you have to get. Children is also like me, not good in studies. Now the child is going. Now admission I want in that school. Now drop, fetch. By the time the child is now 15, 20, you are already nearing 50, 40. Now you have to find out if girl is there, where is she going, where is she coming, what is she milling on. Whom are you talking to? Why she is late today? You ask those people who have daughter, you ask them. I'm not joking like that. Very worried. Oh my God, what has happened? Who is that boy who was with you? Why he is coming very frequently? Where are you going? Why? When? And boys there, you don't know, very rarely they are very good boys. He has his own hair, he puts a hairstyle, gel here and there all around. He has put a, then like hair is like gel he has put here all around. Like grasses have grown in between he should put water. Like that he has known. Now the child is not talking to me. Ask the parents. He is not talking, he's living somewhere else. I asked him to come in Diwali. He's not coming. He's not 1 year has passed. He has not talked. Oh my God, this is how 60 years are there. Plus, this is outer situation. Plus, my mind is also not very good mind. Anger is too much in my mind. Irritation is too much in my mind. I'm not that simple person. Very competitive person. I'm not happy to see he got the chance. I did not get the chance. Why should I be like that? This way I'm 65, 30. Then these diseases are waiting for us. Different diseases, blood pressure, diabetes are set. Are where are you going? I'm here. You have crossed 50. Both are there. Come on. Cocktail of diabetes, blood pressure has come now. High BP is there now. अब क्या होगा? अब doctor said, please, and then I had first heart attack. It was not a minor, it was a major heart attack. All of a sudden I had tremendous pain. I was rushed to the hospital. This is how next birth I'm doing. Not this birth. Then child is there. Then wife is passed away now. I'm so sad why she passed away. One has to pass away now. Then I put on photograph and cry. Now that child, that new the daughter-in-law is there. She is very moody. She is not giving any. She is not talking too much to me. Daughter-in-law is like that. She doesn't care for me. I'm old. I'm not able to get up by myself every day. I have pain at the back, and she is not able to. Nobody is there to give me food properly. Now I'm already 75, 80. This is going on everywhere. Don't think it is easy. You can see your family members. Loneliness comes in. Spiritual life to hai nahi kuch. They don't have satsang, etc. When they were young, they wasted their time here and there. Now they wake up about the fear has come up. Close the door, somebody will come in. This is only fear is there. And again they will die. For what? To be reborn. Very well, good. Very good. मरो और फिर पैदा हो जाओ. One seeker is there. He said, how long this will continue? What is this going on? Why this nonsense is going on? Why? I don't want to go in another womb. He's called Mumukshu. Enough is enough. Let us put a stop to it. It's called Mumukshu. No, but I have a desire. I have a desire. What desire you have? I have the desire. Which desire you have? I want to marry. Okay, then you marry. No, but this birth I could not get. Next birth. Okay, then you go to the next birth. Depending on your fruit of action. If your fruit of action is, don't think what you want, you will get immediately. Depend what's your investment. If your punya is very good, then you may get a good match. If it is not good, you will get a matchstick. So, depending on your punya, will just light something. Some people are like fire. Everywhere they are explosives. Just shouting, just screaming, just getting angry. Highly inflammable. This is how we keep on going. Life goes on. Mumukshatva is what? Enough, I don't want it. What is that knowing which all my sorrows go away? This is called desire for liberation. I hope this is clear. I think don't worry. So Nachiketa has which one out of the four? Nachiketa, out of the 4 Ds, which Nachiketa had? Huh? All four. All four he had. Really? Huh? अरे discrimination, you didn't say Shobhava Martasya Dantakaitat. A Antak, everything is finite. Sarvendriyanam Jaranti Tejaha. Dispassion, he said, no, everything is riddled with sorrow only. Shama is there, he is quiet. Dama is there. He was 3 days he was standing outside. Dama is there. Huh? Titiksha is there. He was standing, not sitting and lying down there outside the room. He slept. Titiksha. Shraddha was there. Therefore he told to his father. Uprati was there. He withdrew from his old family. Otherwise, I cannot leave you, Dad. I can't live without you. I'll be dead without you, Dad. He left everybody. And Shraddha was, Samadhan was there. He's a quiet mind. Therefore, now he listen now. He repeated everything verbatim, if you remember that. When he asked, second boon when he gave, Pratyapadat Yathoktam. He repeated as Yamraj. That means he was very nicely listening. Not that he was looking up. Fan is not there. Why not fan is there? AC is there, fan is not there. What is cold? No, just okay. Topic is going. What did you say? Then this is the other one. Focus was there. Mukshatva already he had, you saw that. He said, even Devatas don't know, then that is the best thing to know there. It means what? Seeker should develop it. It is not natural to have these things. Naturally only hair will grow. Or it will become white. You know, only I am trying to make my hair white. You need not. It will automatically become white. Some have blonde hair. Some of the people I have seen, hairs are so nice, but they make blonde and appear like bhoot pret. Anyway. Blonde hair. All qualification is there. ऐसे नहीं होता. Develop करना पड़ता है. And you know how do you develop? When you give a response in the world, you should come back in the mind. And what you should think, my dispassion was less, therefore I responded like that. I have less dispassion. ठीक नहीं है अभी. I think I need to develop more dispassion. This is I am lacking inside. I think my titiksha is very less, therefore I am reacting too much. The seeker's whole life is based on constantly cross-checking what I don't have, why I don't have. I think my Shraddha is less, therefore I am not leaving this issue to the God. My case is quite complex case. World won't change, I have to change. Samadhan, I could not meditate. None of the day I sit for half an hour and meditate. My mind keeps on running all the time. Sit every day. For what? Quietly you sit. Quietly. Every day sit quietly. And just close your eyes. And remain sitting for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, 5-10 minutes I can try. Then you will see your mind. I think I have to develop that thing. Yes. This is what is the adhikari.